I'm Luis, so I'm doing this car. It's a Lexus L600 doing the quarter glass R9, so I'm in a hurry because it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna go this one fast. Okay, I already pre-cut the pillar and the clips, so that way you have an idea. It's more easy with any tool. You can go inside, you can go outside, you can just with a knife, whatever you want. So I'm just showing the ring cut. So this one is the passenger and driver side. You turn it down like this, so we have a little magnet just to hold it and a little bit, and we're gonna use the P8. I'm gonna try another line now because the P8 is breaking so easy. Even when I have my techniques before this line were really good, now they're breaking all the time for any reason. So I already opened this pillar, I disconnect. Remember, careful with this connector. This is regular, but this guy right here is those kind of clips, the retainers to go in and out, so don't break that one, and careful with the line. So the clips there, right there, you supposed to can save the clips, but it's a lot of time, and I'm not gonna be stripping all the interior just to save the clips. So, but that's the law, but we're not doing that here, we don't need it. So using the P8, this is what you're gonna do. There's some line before you tie here, or you tie here and cut. It's up to you. What you're gonna do, you see this line is more easy this way, so you're gonna go like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 times. Alright, and after that you go behind here and you will stay this way. It's not a nut, but that's enough to hold the line. Alright, now we're gonna go and make 2 times, but because we're going on the top, we go starting from the bottom, because this line is to hold it, the last one is to go into the ring cut. Alright, so let's gonna play with this guy. Careful with these photo glasses because they're expensive and they're in back orders, so they told me they're not available, so just careful. Alright, and let's go for the second turn. That's because the line I didn't cut before. You can cut a piece and forget about all this, get the roll over there. Alright, behind this guy, there you go. Just a little pull, make sure you are behind, and that's it. Now it's time to cut. Just give you a little line, not much. Alright, now I put blades on the seats. Now we go and like and tight, and that's all. Now we're gonna just play. Just secure my glove. You know, I don't like tape, so that's why I use these guys. Alright, and now we're gonna start cutting. I need to put 2 bolts because I got 2 for them. Oh yeah. You know what, guys? Because I'm in a hurry because it's gonna rain, I forget putting it inside the strike. What's going on? Come on, guys, just let me know. Because it's gonna rain at any moment. I need to finish, so we go inside here now, and now we can go in here. Alright, these guys will be soon available to print, or if you want to buy it, it's up to you. There you go. Now I can go under an opposite side. And that's it. It's gonna hold right there. Now this guy, you can hold it and your finger is not gonna hurt because it is gonna be tight by the line over there. Alright, hold on. Pushing a little bit there. There you go, we in. Okay, so after that we're just watching the line. What I'm worried about is the line over there. There you go, we're all the way in. See, the line is there. Watch you encapsulate, everything looks good. That line is gonna, sometimes they jump on your face. I'm gonna put that one down. There you go. That one cannot be down. You're gonna just, there you go. So what I'm gonna do with this guy is you can pull with your hand and it's gonna cut by itself. The same like this one. Okay, I just continue making the cut. Alright, that's the anchor, don't make any problem. That's the second clip. That's the last one over there. And that's it. Now you just untie this guy. You're done. Now you cut a glass. Safe. And we're ready. And save the glass because this one is back ordered right now, so we cannot make any damage. Okay guys, well, thanks so much. It's gonna rain, sorry, and hurry I am not today because it's gonna rain. I have 3 jobs: Land Rover, BMW, and X5, you know. And the next one I'm gonna show you, well, I think everybody knows, but you can unlock the hood on the X5 and you can have more room to set your glass. Let me do that one and I show you. Maybe many people know now, but if you don't, you're gonna see it next. Okay guys, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye 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 bye.